God. Heavy, we say, Jado Star. No? Hey, my friend. Lord. Me like when me walk up the dolly there with the street, you know, Jesus Christ. Voila, dosa. You're Jamaican?
Yeah, but we live in New York.
Oh, you live in New York?
Yeah.
I'm mad, same thing. How are your daughter say, you know?
I go on cousins to but through the winter family, none of umbrella. Can beg your umbrella?
Ready. Voila, man. Let me give my umbrella. Beg your 360 there for the crowd. Why, Jesus Christ Almighty. Why, no, sir. Yes, I said, dolly them buy. Watch out. Yeah. Why me now like them mannequin look like a hyena? She a pout, you know? Oh, yeah, me. Go in there. No joke. Why? Oh.
We will not find a woman can give. No woman, no.
Enough woman there, me teacher, enough.
No woman, so all tell us
God damn, what a vibe she have. The lucky thing me they said something. Yeah. Tell if you go watch Jamaica walk by if you want to see whole heap of dolly.
Yes, Jamaica, God sometimes
Jamaica walk by. Whoa. Camera there, please. Let me go and shout up on the channel there. Jamaica walk by. Oh gosh, man. Beautiful lady in a shiner, man. You not go subscribe to my channel then? It's master, don't it? Yes, sir. But you come right out though. Dolly settings and thing. But this is a very nice girl. I'm come here and eat with my family and thing. And she did me so good and thing. So tell me I have to try to heavy up her pocket before me leave. You understand? Yeah, she did. We did get the food quick. Then she come back and say, I'm gonna alright, okay. Lexi Depan, you're not gonna tell her, you want so now go come video and I test the place. And I say, no man, we're just going to angle it. And she was so nice, I'm gonna rate that. And one the way I do, my friend. One love. So you get a look at Vibes Master side of you, you know. Make sure you stay like she too, you know.
No, see a girl, keep follow me on Instagram.
Yeah, why Instagram? One underscore Kim. As in the
one underscore Kim.
Figure that.
So can she a praise?
Jesus. Yeah, massive. You don't know. Big up and welcome to another episode of Jamaica Walk By. Oh yes. Big up on my Jamaica Walk By massive. So right now we're in the arbitrary. See, as I don't know, and I'm in there behind the camera today. You see me? We're outside the camera, but I don't see the intro. Big up my General Branston. You don't know anything up. And Branston there in the road and man want to learn anything. So we're there and I go and easy back. See? So right now, it's all about a requested video. So I see a lot of person message me and say, yo, man, why you do back an updated video for arbitrary? So look good. Arbitrary. You understand? We're there arbitrary. And we're going to see if we can find some dolly in the street. We want to see when General them there. We'll probably go in some store. We'll probably go, we don't know. We're just going to walk through arbitrary. We see what arbitrary look like in an hour time. You understand? And when I'm going to be asking Star Cash the boss, I'm sorry somebody in that video so that they miss me. So big up to Star Cash the way you're there. I don't know anything go. So we're going to walk out in the arbitrary and we're going to showcase the natural vibe in the arbitrary. The rain look away like the rain one tear. Make it jump, man. Yes, I say rain look like a crazy thing you want to go out with, but we have to see what I want. So we want to catch a natural, subtle vibe. The ladies that walk, people that buy, stores, whatever it is. And we have to see what I want. See, so if I just start watching video, do me a big if you like. You see what I want, you see the title, let's get them. Let's do this. See how the girl over here so laugh off of me. Look for her. She laugh off of me at the intro. So come on, go pick up yourself. You have a friend? I'll try to get the food. Alright, pick up yourself, my friend. Yeah, so it's all about, so I want to do some dolly there on there, so look what I want. Yeah, that is it. So we're going to catch money for them today. In the street, we see all of the vibe. See, arbitrary, I know some girls, them central. No joke, no doubt. If you want to find a wife, they come arbitrary. You know, you want to the crew say. What to the crew say? Out of halfway tree. Right side see me. Right side of the clock. Out of halfway tree. Big up every time. And then with it, one Jamaica Walk By and let's do this. See? Yeah, massive. So, yeah, we start off right there, so on Courtney Walsh Drive. You understand? As you can see, Courtney Walsh Drive. Yeah, I don't know, Zip. See Zip FM there. Yeah, so you have Zip FM right down there, so and you have pavilion right across the road. So you know exactly which part we're there. And where we are start the video. No joke, no doubt. You see it? So big up on my massive way. Start watch the video. We're there in the Half a Tree. So we're just gonna walk around. We see what going on in the Half a Tree as we just tour out Half a Tree to see what Half a Tree look like in at this time. So we just cross the road because we want to kickstart it right center camera. We want to kickstart it from Berrymore Road in a Half a Tree. So as soon as we get a leeway, we'll try to cross. And we're going to see what Half a Tree look like in an hour time, you know? Yeah. Mad love, mad respect. You don't know big up brands than fashion. You don't know brands with a Z. And check out the clothes store, you see me? No joke, no doubt. So, we don't know, we just go through Half a Tree today because a whole heap of people been asked me for a Half a Tree tour, and trust me, Half a Tree tour has been one of like the first, among the number of first videos we did on Jamaica Walk By, you understand? So, yeah, so this is behind pavilion, the back entrance of the plaza and thing as you move through. You see me? So most of the man them been ask me to do a Half a Tree video, and me I do it today. No joke, no doubt. Me never sure how we are gonna do it and thing, but me could do it like this and thing. So as a matter of fact, guess what we are gonna do? I'm gonna go through this plaza right here, go up the road a bit, and then we do it forward down in our town as the town get festive. See? No joke, no doubt. No, whoa. Yeah. Jano, my friend, I beg you subscribe to the channel, same speed, yeah? Alright, blessed love, no joke. What am I telling you, eh? Jamaica Walk By, my teacher. We walk and showcase the natural vibe in our country, you see it, me bro? Yeah man, check out the channel too. Yeah. Where you do? Eh? Yeah, you're on TikTok too? You're a TikToker or you just dep on it? You just dep on it? Alright, big up yourself, my teacher. Respect, you hear that? Yeah, no joke. Yeah, she ball out a while ago, so she don't walk up on camera. I tell you, all of my general them, I know someone that wants to see she, you know, no joke. Good evening, blessed my friend. See, you look like one famous girl in there, you know? Yeah man, big up my friend. Yeah. You know we are run from the copyright, because you know the copyright them all about and thing. So yeah, we're there in a Half a Tree, and the vibe is Half a Tree start off right. You know, rain been a Jew, been a go and drop and all of them things there. As me said to you, Half a Tree are one of the first videos me ever do. You know, you have drop top Clark store down there so, and thing, you have signature style over there so, you understand? And I know the Springs. Yeah. So the plaza is named Central Plaza. If you never know now, you know, you see? Yeah man. And one thing I tell you about Central Plaza, if you can't drive, no come over here. Because this is a place here. When it comes on to parking, you're mad. Yeah. Actually, food is life. You never know that chuck you're about you know. Over here, so bulby soup sell too, you know. Yeah. Big up bulby soup. Bulby supposed to sell off already and gone. Huh? Yeah. So, this is Central Plaza in a Half a Tree. No joke. Big up drop top Clark shop. Big up signature style, same speed. But yeah, this is it. Central Plaza. As we proceed to give them what they need. No joke. Let's go. Hold on, see all food and things I sell across here, so you know, so you can see what going on over there. What you mean? A mad thing. Yeah, chef. No joke, no doubt. Blessings, good afternoon. Yeah, me teacher, tell me say you're not afraid of no camera. Jamaica walk by there and them a style of me always like to catch peace and happenings, you know. What you say, me teacher? Manners. No joke. Massive, you see, all of me foreigner them, me sorry for you know, because God know we a get all of them a chop ya. Smoke grills and thing in a street, half a tree loud. Look on that spot ya, man. Yeah. No joke. Oh God. So, right about now, it's all about a jerk chicken vibe at Springs Plaza. You understand? I'm going on full tour of half a tree today. And we start off subtle and basic. So see if your belly start ready for food, and me say, bulb be normally over there, so right here now, me see one nice jerk spot there right here, so. And we have jerk chicken, jerk pork. Jerk chicken, jerk pork. You do soup too?
No soup.
No soup. So right here now, a nice clean spot. Look good. Me like the presentation too. We can get piece of your movement. Me see what I go on. Look on the presentation. Look good now, man. Oh no, Jamaican style, different. So me see now this, me see roast bread food, me see jerk chicken, me look at me see some veg over there, so see all the jerk sauce there, look good. How about that? Fry festival and basic, what the size? What for the size?
It never really matter.
Oh, so we have two, well, what if a different size based on my person? Wow. That is it, me teacher. Mad love, man. So right on Spring Plaza, if you feel like you know a jerk chicken vibe or a jerk pork vibe, you definitely have to reach us up. You understand? No joke, no doubt. You know when I say about big up yourself, my general, a Jamaica walk by, hear that? Big up every time, man, no joke. That is it, my friend. Yeah, man, Spring Plaza, so if you feel like you want a jerk chicken, a jerk pork, you know which part we forward. All of my foreigner there, that spot they're ready. You understand? The scent is incredible. That is it, man, no joke. Oi, oi. We there, one Jamaica walk by, we in them place like a me yard. Big up, my friend. Outside. You understand? Yeah. So without no specification, we just a walk through half a tree and a see what go on in a time like this. You understand? Yes. No joke. I might circle my friend popping over there, but we'll make a little walk, go up the road before we turn back in at the heart of the town, because we want to show you the place. We want to show you what the place look like in an hour time. You see me? Yes, man. Come true. Yeah, bro. So if you're just a join, we're there in a half a tree, I walk through. And we do a tour of half a tree because I didn't get so much person asking. So much person been asking me for this updated tour, and I'm going to do that. You understand? Yeah. Man. Outside. Alright, I want them to can find R12 today. Big up R12. R12 up on Village Plaza. And we are going to see what R12 are dealing with and thing. I'm a general telling them I'm going to circle and do a Jamaica walk by up and shop and thing. Yeah, so this is the Springs Plaza center camera. So if you don't know, now you know. See I look arena, look for forward. The KFC are located on Springs Plaza. See, looking at the sky. Jaja. Sky set away. So if I go up a Village Plaza, we just have to take it on from here, so and go Village Plaza. And then we head back in at the heart of the town when everybody congested and thing down there, so that we are going to do. KFC, hey, Brandon, yeah. We know a style what KFC are doing, you know. They have event. Then I realize the event turn to the road. Every time you walk past the place, you know so one KFC nearby, you know. KFC have the maddest strategy. Them turn event them to the road, so once you pass on your vehicle, you're not even the one of KFC, bro. But what? You have to stop to buy. So yeah, this is Bransdon, so my general. Yeah, me and him do to walk and thing, you understand? Bransdon. Clean boss. You see it? Great Bransdon. Yeah. That is it. Oh, you mean? But this is half a tree. I say, we are go up to Village. Let me ask. I wish I know them a Village Plaza again. Let me ask the crew, how best you know half a tree? You know it's a Village Plaza, we should know them a Village Plaza.
Village
Yeah, Village Plaza. Which one? Tropical, Central, so. And that one there. Alright, big up. Maybe gonna subscribe to my YouTube channel to here. Jamaica Walk by, see? Respect and love. That is it. Eh? Yeah, Jamaica Walk by. Where's you want to see yourself? Alright, then go outside there. Outside. Yeah. So we're there. Alright, so boom bang. Over here, so you know. You don't know. It's like the arcade in a half a tree. This is like the arcade. You understand? Crazy amount of things up over here. So one of the most popular spot them in a half a tree. You understand? Everything over here, so. You see it? From gift and all them things they can get across. So good evening, grandma. Blessed love. And thing right next to the passport office. Yeah. So once you want to reach arcade, you know, type of slippers, you know, homemade things and all them something over there, so you can go get them the type of shop. I don't know. Passport, immigration and citizenship agency. Every Jamaican just call a place a passport office. Every Jamaican, that one name this a passport office. Remember me tell you. Nothing else. Yeah. And this is the mall plaza. My teacher, how shall I name a village plaza? And sometimes I mix them up and I tell you God true. Then look at rain or drizzle. So we are come out of rain.
Hello. Jamaica Walk by.
Yeah, video you know, so I know so on the depot, you know. Blessings and respect, man.
Blessings, Fabian.
Oh my word, one love no man.
One love.
One love no man. Always watch it.
We're from Toronto.
Toronto.
Yes.
Them a kill me say me come to Canada, you know. But John me say place so big, me don't know where me go walk. One love and respect. Thank you so much, Zin. One love. Thank you so much.
Always watch.
Yeah, that is it. That is it. You don't see that massive. We are foreign people are watching things. God no good. Yeah, man. Figure that. Outside me there. Oh, you mean? Oh, yeah. Alright. Alright, so right, you know. This is a village plaza. Yeah, I'm gonna mix them up, you know. Yeah. And you have Lane Plaza up there, so I suppose that this is a village. A village plaza, this, my general? Twin gates. So a village plaza there. This is a twin gates. See? Now which one is a village plaza again? Alright, the one further up the road there. Alright, we are walk, we are tour out half a tree. Village plaza. Oh, there one now. Alright. Respect my teacher. Good afternoon. Sakura. Jaja. Island Grill right. So what's Sakura there? And this a village. A question I ask you, come and try to find out which one of them a village plaza again. Where's Sakura there? No, yeah, sometimes you must think. Eh? Yeah, Sakura, yeah. The one that like Chinese food but not Chinese food. Bless up, man.
So
Yeah.
what you say?
Eh?
You on TikTok?
Jamaica Walk by. Yeah, me on TikTok and YouTube and all of them good stuff there.
Jamaica Walk by.
Yeah. Sakura. Alright, sister, alright. Shit, them ask me now, so what are we ask question? Big up the teacher. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man, Jamaica walk by. So we just walk and we'll vibe, talk to people and just relax, you know? Show some love. Yeah, see? What you on the forward from? Oh man, one love and blessing. Hear that? Easy, no man. Bigger that. Yes, I. So, over here, so we are looking for, yeah, Jamaica walk by.
Let's go on TikTok and find.
TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram.
Alright, I'm gonna follow you, alright?
Alright, respect and love. See?
Alright,
Elbow bumps,
alright.
man. That is it, man. Yeah.
I have to be careful.
Yeah, yes, sir. And that I key. That is it. One love again. Cool. Yeah, man. Alright, Artwell, are you me I try find, you know? You understand? Cause, yeah, alright, make it run. Let's see. Respect. Alright. Oh, yeah. Excuse me, my friend. You know chat Artwell there? Artwell jeweler. Outside. Artwell, I should not struggle to find you now. My friend, you know chat Artwell jeweler there? You don't know. Big up and respect here, my friend. That is it. Alright. So since I'm over here, so I think I just step there. Somewhere upstairs, I say, you know. So, see. Alright, see security here. We talk to security. Security, blessed and respect. No chap can find Artwell jeweler. Ah, see him there, man. Oh no. Big up and respect here. Respect. Alright, so pretty much what we understand, this is a village plaza. You understand? No joke, no doubt. Very nice and things. So Artwell are here today, we are forward. Yeah. So if you're not just a giant, blessings and respect and love, you know what I mean? We're outside. So this is village plaza and thing. I don't know, you're forward upstairs. And this is us. Boy, my friend, big boss, if you rub the glass the one more time, we're gonna walk through, you know. Yes, man. That's a place is clean, man. Blessings and respect. Oh, you mean? Yeah, my teacher. Alright, so we are reach Artwell. So honestly, I don't know so me forward and them look a thing there. And my general me animals are reads up on Instagram and all of them thing there. I hit man. Blessed. Respect. Yeah, man. Oh, Alex, come in fast. Yeah. Alright. We're there at the spot. Blessings and respect. Yeah, Jamaica walk by, you understand? I didn't even put my camera over there, so you know, my things that enough people not like them on camera. But the boss himself give me an invite to fall and give me a walk by. You understand? But this no, we're not doing a drive by, we're not doing something there. Foot them weak, they can walk for long. So I tell them, so when I forward, I not tell him, you know. I just forward because so I stay, I not sell lie. You understand? Blessings and respect and thing. So Artwell, look good, me there. You can't tell me something not there. You can't tell me something not there. Look good, I over sign that. Look how the place clean and pretty. You can't tell me something there forward. Look good, man. One Jamaica walk by in them town. Artwell, it shouldn't take me so hard to find the place, you know. So now everybody see how me find the place. Them I walk with me Friday night town and see me there. Look good. Blouse and skirt, how your place smells so rich. Cheese and peas. Look good, man. We should have go and see a cartel up here today. Look good. Blouse and skirt. One Artwell. Dale, look for my friend. Dale that. Dale, are you that? Dale, are you that? No joke thing. I'm not going to say you go and Dale. You didn't tell me. Nah, man. So right now it's all about Artwell jewelry. I'm going to hold on camera because you don't know, say. So rich people in that building and all them something. When Dolly down here, I will tell me say you have Dolly up here and Dolly in our store and all them sitting there. Because she have to tell me how I go on and look for Richie. For you see them, R12 can make them. Look good now, man. When me rich people them there. Where the top roll, where the top spender them there. Look good now, man. G-Shock watch. R12. You understand? Look good. Watch your price. Almighty. Look good now, man. Yo. I saw me I work on the pocket to get heavy, you know, because I come and say I'll grill R12 I've got put in and me teeth them. You know say me not play. Look good now, man. Look good. R12 jeweler. I'm a general massive. I'm tell him say me I go forward. No joke, no doubt. Look on the place. A rich people business. Oh God. But if you have a look smart change them to you, can come. We find something here. Remember me tell you, all of me artists virgin them. Look good now, man. Engagement ring, eye roller ring, glasses, sets, per sets. Only R12 right now I do it in a Jamaica. Remember know that. You understand? You know teacher in Das and Blast are ready. Cheese and peace. Catch your sign. Oh no. From line I'm dying, I'm here. Yeah. Who there we can talk to? So forward, come here, go ask some question in the car. But we want to make the people them know some things where R12 want them to know when me don't know yet. You see? Oh, you mean? It's all about a vibe. Place clean and pretty. You know, so some showcase things, you know. Man. It's nice, man. Figure that. Oh, you mean? Yes, I. Brands done fashion, are you that? Yes, I say I have to go shopping now. Jaja, no. Mad. No joke, no dough. Figure that. So yeah, massive. I want R12. No joke thing, I not two. Look good now, man. So right now we have all a dolly in the shop. Dolly, easy, what R12? So my friend, tell me something where I want the people them know. First question I got to ask you. Like me, you know, me not too road away now. So tell them which part we find R12. Tell them.
Right, so we are located Shop 2U 24 Constant Spring, that's in Village Plaza. Same plaza as Rapid True Value.
That is it. So if they want dolly like you buy shop, you can get her just jewelry.
Jewelry.
That is it. So show me two of the pieces them where you say, and the thing where all of the people them are coming in for you now. I said, and this around the road. But go see chap, how can I watch them here?
Rolex, Cartier.
Jaja no. Yeah. So like all the cartel thing now, set the cartel thing there. If me say me want one of that set, like when me see teacher and that. When would I do if we get one of that?
So you leave a deposit.
Yeah.
And it takes us like 2 weeks or less. Somebody at the door.
More customer can sell, we are selling up. 1 second them a teacher, cause you don't know where make a place great.
Yeah, man.
Don't
so
joke.
after deposit is left, then take us like 2 weeks to get it in, and I use that.
And I need that. You understand? So I will give discount too.
Depends.
It depends on it.
Depends on who.
Who? So like a Jamaica.
Who know you're not getting a discount.
Come rich.
You're rich.
Jeez and peace, man. I tell my friends still, they might boss me. But yeah, me love what I want. So me realize I'm not for just the rich people them alone to yourself. Me realize a regular man can just step in and buy.
Yeah, man, we cater to everyone.
Jaja no, just like that.
Just like that.
Artist, Igla,
Everybody.
Bag Juice man.
Everybody.
Everybody. I want R12. So anyway there in the world, R12, big up yourself anyway there in the world. The place clean. A superstar setting. I know joke. Look good. Dolly in a store and beer things. Everything I sell except she. You understand? She not sell. But from chain to ring, pendant. Yeah, so you don't know anything. But some general we outside, you see me? That is it. Respect and manners, me teacher. R12, big up every time. So before I go massive, if you don't follow R12 yet on Instagram, see it and make sure you follow him on Instagram. R12, look good. R12 and Code Jamaica, look good. You understand? If you can make sure put on a phone to the screen too, you can scan the QR code and reach the page. See the address here? Village Plaza 24 Constant Spring Road, Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica. Shop 2U. See all the number there too. You can call it. Get some more information. And R12, you see me? Engagement ring, marriage, everything. So we are roll out. Back in the town. That is it. Watch your style. Man, something. Come through so you can lock the door. You know, security is key. Pull. And we outside. Man. Yeah. Good afternoon. So yeah, that was a vibe in the story. You don't know, big up Artwell anywhere you're there, my general. You're never there today, but anywhere you're there in the world, big up yourself. I'm a general for a long time, so I hope so to support the jewelry business. I'm one of the biggest jeweler in our business right now in Jamaica. You see me? Village Plaza as you roll through. No joke. Yeah, man. Look good. We're there. Yeah, man. Half a tree. So if you not watch so far and not subscribe, I don't know when I wait for it. Blessings, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. So we go back in our town. Artwell, I'm a general, so I did have to find the store and reach there. Artwell Jeweler. See it there? Upstairs, up there, so. Mad, see the place here? No can't miss it. Go and support the business. Get the wedding ring. Get the wedding ring. Why do we have some more tongue twister today? Get the wedding ring, the engagement ring, and all of the ring them, all of the jewelry them. Artwell have them. Customized jewelry too. Artwell have them. Remember me telling you that. Yeah, man. Oh, and big up to your worker to Artwell. Yeah. Lovely personality she have. That is it. Man. Yeah. So we are go back in our town and think we never gonna further up because we don't want to fall out of half a tree too much. Yeah. But you have Rapid True Valley up there, so, and the Texaco up there, so, which are the Burger King there. So pretty much nothing really else now. They out of the town more than the lot. And I'm sure so I see the lot already when we did video from them time there. You see? Yeah. So we move through the town nice and easy. There's actually one new plot. You know, say, you go walk. You're gonna ask me if I make me throw the thing in the garbage bin for you. Me that do it, you know? Yeah. Bless up yourself, yeah? That is it. Come on. Nah, man, you see me a video, I'm a nice boy, man. Me do it for you. You know, say you're a dolly. Yes, man. Jamaica Walk By. Here you can check out my YouTube channel. Jamaica Walk By. One love. Alright. My mind just if it does walk, come up a little bit, let me show you. One new plaza around Panda side there. Branston, where do a U-turn up here, so? Because one new plaza there around that side, I want to show them. Beautiful plaza, especially in the Christmas. So you know, it's a courts over there, so. Yeah, courts. And you have, let's go through here. Oh, see the Sakura there. Or Sakura Express, where the lady and the gentleman did ask about. No joke. And the big hardware here. Could dive through here, so. Mad thing. Alright. I go walk through here. Let's walk through. Alright. What? In the park. Only a fine dining place there too. You know, at first I walked through the plaza. Yeah. One gate normally down there so it come out through. But let me see. Open a lock. Can't never. Then lock it. Yeah, we usually can walk through this, but lock it. I never actually just see it, but I never normally like walk come over here, so like that. Yeah. Mad. So if you just a join within a half a tree and thing. Good vibe, great energy and thing. So no joke. Get used to Jamaica walk by if you don't know, in? Yeah man. We there. GT. Yeah, we must Scotia ATM too. Right. Half a tree. What a vibe, man. Alright, so this is the plaza I'm telling about. Alright, so we're not really gonna further up here, so but yeah, me just showing a little bit of this. Many persons don't even know say this there, so see? Yeah. The pretty new plaza, modern style, me love it. And them look a thing there. The first time I discovered the plaza, I think it was last year, Christmas. They mean like just open. See me? See the plaza, the South Dale Plaza. Mad. So I think the plaza did there before, but it's just renovated and kind of give a new twist to it. See? That is it. So we're not really gonna further. We're head back down to the town. Because you know the thing go. We just take time walk out of the town a little bit. Center camera. Crazy apartment a building in a Kingston. Them apartment you know we are gonna see whole half a tree. Look good. Mad thing, man. Look there. Imagine owning one of them there on the apartment there, eh? Just one in there, see whole like half a tree, whole of downtown, all of that. Mad. No event no miss. Like no event no miss you. Yeah. Mad. Yeah. So we're outside. So we are head back down in the town which are all of the festivities there. And massive there is a auto place where I'm supposed to go, you know, right on Mullines Road. And I go big up that general place. You know why? Me hear say I in the them man they watch Jamaica walk by. The TV ever they on Jamaica walk by like the whole day. The general say just have a TV around for the whole day on Jamaica walk by. You understand? Because I say video them clean and pretty and all of them things there. So it makes sure them watch it. So German Auto. That is where a place named German Auto on Mullines Road. You understand? So we are going to go down there today. So I tell you, I not do that video, I'm not far down, I'm shop. We give him a strength, you see it? Yes, so right now you have the lot over there, so. You see me? Alright, since we're there, I'm going to take a look at peek over the lot and heading at the town. So the lot is a spot where you have whole heap of food stops. You understand? Different food stops over there. And them do live music, live band music and them thing there, I think. I don't remember if it Wednesday or Tuesday night, but I one of them time there. You see me? And over there beautiful. Well cozy, well nice, and right through the day, right through the night. So I can get a little sneak peek over the lot there. And thing, I'm gonna see a little snippet over there. I love the design of the place and them like type of thing there too. So have ample parking and them thing there. Not super big, but yeah. But so far this is the lot This is the lot. Right there, so boom bang. Make it just good. Look like a picture spot this here now. Look good. Good vibes only on the here. Yeah man, I picture spot this. Look at the lot. Mad. No joke, no doubt. Where's that? Brands done. Beautiful. Nice looking entrance already. Yeah man. Alright. So pretty much oh, hit this. Super nice. Good? Remember me? Kinda ish. Alright. I come here with my girlfriend and my little daughter. And they're right there, so. Yeah. Figure that. Yeah, I like the vibe. So, big up yourself and respect. Jamaica walk, but you never know some of the YouTuber though. Yeah, I saw you go. Big up and respect. Eh? You wanted? Now man, you're one of the real worker up here. I now go around you. A big tip me left gear, you know. Remember good. Big up yourself too. We're there. See that? Do it right. Figure that.
Hi, my name is Kim and she's again sister. Professional. Here, let down with sister.
Alright then, that is it. You see fear face now? What's that now? Yeah. Yeah, my sister here a comedian over here now. Yeah, vibes master, don't it? Yes, I. But you come right out though. Dolly settings and thing. But this is a very nice girl. I'm come here and eat with my family and thing. And she did me so good and thing. So tell me I have to try to heavy up our pocket before me leave. You understand? Yeah, she did. The food we did get the food quick. Then she come back and say, I'm on alright and okay. Lexi Depan, you know, go tell her, yeah, who wants to now go come video and I test the place. And I said, no man, we just go and angle it. And she was so nice. I'm gonna rate that and go on the way out there, my friend. One love. So you get a look at Vibes Master side of here, you know. Make sure say you stay like she too, you know.
Don't know if your girl can follow me on Instagram.
Yeah, why Instagram? 1_Kim. 1_Kim. As in the
1_Kim.
Figure that.
So can she a praise?
Jesus.
Really come down.
Why your Instagram? Give me let me give it.
Life nice. Me could have want to see this
Clean. Oh gosh. Whoa. Big up me like the vibe. Bad. Oh you mean? Oh it's why Instagram anyway? So she named Gangsta Baby. Come Gangsta Baby. Come in, Gangsta Baby. Alright, me like how you sell the place and this is nice. So it's what sparkles. Come in man. Come me like how you sell the place. Come we bring in the customers them. That is it. One. This is one we have what?
We have plantation smokers and sharkies.
Yeah.
Only one, yes.
Man. So you have that is it, Sharkies and
Don't watch this, watch Sharkies.
Watch Sharkies.
Yes.
Figure that.
Plantation.
We love our vibe. Yeah. So yeah, the place is beautiful. It's so nice. We love the energy. We love the vibe here. And think even upstairs the decor just super nice. You can't go around it. People are eating. I like the vegetation type of style where you have some part cover as well. And this is where you have the performance stage up there. So and thing also they have a pastry section. Hey, when we came here the last time we realized that we there and outside you don't see no fly, like no fly. You understand? We were talking about this saying that you don't see any fly in our pastry area. So me guarantee you we are talking about cleanness and basic look good. All of your normal pastries and them thing them there, you see me? No joke, no doubt, look good. You see me? That place and is something nice, Jamaican style. Look like Devanos ice cream sell over there so and beer things. Yeah, beautiful, super nice. We actually try out this place and it was the ice cream did great. Yeah, so no joke, we not waste no time. Big up again, look more here. Big up and respect, you hear that? No joke. So and you have a bar where you can get whole heap of top shelf liquor too and all of that. Yeah, great vibe, great energy, beautiful. Yeah, let's do this. Outside me there, you have even over this side too. man. Outside with it, look good. Now we have to move out the copyright and then we continue there. But yeah, big up to the worker. She nice, oh. Good look at energy. You see the other girl, she did actually cater to us and it was beautiful. Yeah, man. Wait, you look like them have a market part and so. Eh? That me I say. I didn't even know that. Yeah. So there's a market down here so too. What a lucky thing we do that video here today. Eh? Wow. I didn't even know say I saw the market there. Can you believe this? Yeah. Market and thing. Yes, Godfather, blessings, respect, man. Outside. Good afternoon, Grandma. Yeah, I didn't even know so right I saw the market there. Can you look at that? Yeah, and then you have a parking around there, so. My mad thing, man. I not ever did know that. Eh? You couldn't tell me to run and say they yourself. Eh? Big up and love, man. Blessings and respect. Eh? All along me there in Jamaica and I know so right so you can get the market produce. Eh? And fish. Yeah, my name is Fabian. I'm a YouTuber, Jamaica Walk By. You hear? I saw me stay. We just walk and preach love and respect, you know? Yeah. Oh, you sell fish and them thing there? Yeah, what kind of fish you have in I?
Don't know.
Fish done now. Oh, you're back so man. God no good man.
Yeah,
all the time man.
Great.
Yeah, so I'm a massive way I watch. If you don't want fish on in a half a tree area, you can come check that nice little church sister here. Oh, me know say you're Christian. Yeah, me just see it. Blessings man. That is it. So yeah, if you want fish in the area, the light of a shine. Where's the fresh water and salt water fish?
No, I'm not saying fresh water.
Oh, straight sea.
Straight.
Figure that. That is it. A manners and love, man. Alright, take it easy. Yeah, Jamaica Walk By. That is it. Yes, man. One love here.
Yeah, man.
Cool. Yeah, man. That is it. I didn't know that right after the market there. So all I know, I never know. No. Yeah. From gungo peas to all sort of things, man. Yeah. Mad and bad. Grandma. Oh, you want a plastic bag? Godfather, help our grandma with a plastic bag there, please. Alright. So we are going down back in the town now. From the lot. See? We are moved through. So big up all of my general them again. Big up Artwell Jewelry. You see it? And we are roll out. Back in our town. So we are going in our town, we are like festivities them there. But big up to all the people them ask me for a real half a tree tour. And that we are did, you see? Yeah. Half a tree is mad big. So we don't take hours. But me have one spot where I want to go before. We really just walk up and down in our town and see all the beautiful ladies them in Jamaica and all of them good things there. Because them say if you want a country girl, you come a half a tree. If you want a Indian, a Spanish, a Puerto Rican, a out a half a tree. And I mean say no, a Anthony Cruz. But I don't lie, I tell. You see it? So we are waiting for the light. Alright, now what time? Yeah, man. So, Branson, where's about the vibe so far? Good energy?
Half a tree, lively place.
Yeah, man. Lively. Yeah, you can't take that from half a tree. I want lively place.
Only for attraction.
You know, so I see a Mark X is how we did see though. GX, yeah. GS, bad. Eh? Beast a rumble man. One Jamaica Walk By with teacher. You know, so I work out too. Big up and respect, hear that? Mad. Yeah, big up teacher. Watch out the road, my teacher, make it man pass, man. Yeah, we want a contribution. For what? Which contribution that? Football team. Sometimes I realize when I scam people them in the street, you know. When I just walk with a bucket and I say on a football team and nothing go so. When I stop it, so I hope say I lie telling them I give you a thing still. No joke thing, you hear that? Make sure so now go. Because I realize the style for them in Jamaica now in a massive way. Them take up a bucket or any little thing and then come out in the street and walk and beg and tell us that they might ask donation for them football team or even dancing dynamite and rising star and rip off in the brands done. Whoa, Dolly, don't tell me something afraid of the camera there, please. Let me go and shout out on the channel there. Jamaica walk by. Oh gosh man, beautiful lady no shine man. When I go subscribe to my channel then. My Dolly friend. When I make a second man, when I come out somewhere, let me go and shout out man. Alright, big up on yourself, when I run from me. Jamaica walk by here. Ah my friend, that is it. Can't stop promote the channel to all that Dolly them everybody see you you see me bro. Yeah, beg you subscribe to you know. It look like an art and them thing there do.
Yeah, I design over the lot.
Are you design over the lot? Yo, me just a video a while ago you know.
Yeah man, the billboard that thing man.
Yeah? But what God is good, me G. Big up and respect them. Yo, yeah, listen me now. So I see over a lot a while ago with them design and them thing. The G-same design I come from, look where man paint up. You know what I come off fight. Yo, how we can find it on Instagram?
Alright, my tattoo page man, Dan Eddie Tattoos. Dan Eddie Tattoos on Instagram.
Dan Eddie?
Yeah.
Dan Eddie Tattoos on Instagram.
Yeah.
Yeah, you on TikTok too?
No, not right now.
Go on TikTok too, see?
Alright.
Yeah man, so this is, so we can call it Dan Eddie.
No problem.
That is it, you're great youth. You work sick.
Alright.
You hear that? Big up and respect my teacher. Real Dan Eddie, Jamaica walk by. Yeah bro. And you look like a real artist you know. Yeah man, blessings man. Great Dan Eddie. When you see me a video for the last while ago, look how we broke up in that. Man, we do the thing. Yo, me I tell us, I can't make this up. Big up my teacher. You're a great youth. I am made. Yeah, me just have video thing with that all there. Yo, Dan Eddie. So yo, now see which I will reach now. And thing, rain look like it want to fall and tear down the whole place. But we're there upon it. We are trying to go through. I'm going to make a little stroll down for Mullines Road massive. We're going to make a little walk for Mullines Road. Because guess what? I'm telling you about my German bridging. I got the German auto. Right down there so. 12 Mullines Road. You can just say 12A Mullines Road. Down there we are go. You understand? Yeah, no joke, no doubt. Now do that video and me no give my strength at the car place. So from Vaux, BMW, Audi, Benz, and them the man there you go go get them parts there. You see me? Yeah. So we are gonna touch right down for Mullines Road a little bit. Right before the rain catch us up. Now try my best to beat the rain because the rain kinda drizzle. And we don't see it but he did. So we are trying to go down there really quick after a man in the rain does a tear and I go on and all of them little things there. So we are trying to blaze through and then we are going to just forward right back up in the town and sit down. I say if you ever want to my friend here, Leonie, I nearly say Leonie a while ago. I say Leonie. You know Leonie, financial advisor, girl we actually have the other vehicle like mine. The white one. Yeah, frightening me. I know say me do a couple of videos with her so people are going to see her and know say I'm not joking me. That's what I say, Leonie, what you doing right here? And that me I go say, yeah. So yeah massive, we are go down in the heart of the town. So Tropical Plaza. Yeah man. So guess what we are going to do? Hear the motive. So we are going to walk straight down in the town. And then we are going to turn down from Mullines Road. And we are going to go to one place. And then we are going to left from there so. And thing. And forward up in the town and show you how festive the town can get. In a Half-a-Tree. And you know how festive Half-a-Tree town can get. So you know say I'm not joke me I make. You see me? Yeah man. yes, my friend, I like the fashion here. I beg you one subscribe to my YouTube, Jamaica Walk By, okay? Alright, blessings and respect. Good. Oh, wait, what you got? Eh? Oh. For tree. Rain kind of look for forward, but we now make that stop nothing. We are go through. Yeah, yo, look on the man jerk spot already. Full up with people. Oh wow. Hot spot. Time. Yeah, half a tree. Yeah. So yeah, so we are reached down in the heart of the town of Half Tree. So if you not just a watch, you don't know, big up and respect to all the masses them we tune in from we start till now. It's just been great. Yeah, the man hand me there. Yo. The plaza over here, so now all of my massive them then call the plaza the Dolly Plaza. If you want a dolly over the plaza, there you go. So them say yeah. See the Jamaica Walk By. Yeah man. That is it man. New York and them things. Ah, you follow each other yeah, man. One Jamaica Walk By. The first one me love now. Are we out here now? Eh? We are doing some advertisements. Let me advertise it on the channel. School of Excellence. Huh? School of Excellence. Let me say we advertising man. Let me see it where that's it. Tell me where that's it man. School of Excellence. Yeah. Yeah, the school offer subjects. Yeah, 8,000 per subject per term. Yeah. Yeah, 2,500 registration fee. For them come we do all type of stuff. We do physics, office admin, yeah. English, maths, accounts, POB, social studies, IT, computer. Yeah man. Chemistry, basic, me see that. Yeah man, down Balmore Avenue. So the phone number, yeah. Alright, so if you don't want to get to contact them, and contact them through this, see number there? Yeah, phone number, yeah. Yeah, 876-782 8921. Give them a call. Yeah. See, blessings and love for you watch the channel, me teacher man. Big up my man. I'm with your wife and yeah, it's a vibe, but it's a energy. Watch it. Blessings, man. You must go back the man. I hope you watch yourself, you know. I bless them, man. And thanks for support.
Yeah, man. Love, man. You know that much for go. Oh, you go Miami right now?
Yeah, we go Miami. We're going to do Love Island still, but New York, nice.
LA and them some.
Yeah, LA. I want to see it.
Nicer.
Yeah, New York, nice.
Yeah, man. You
love
can see
it. Love it. Yeah, and active like yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Because we don't go there enough.
Yeah, show on the one.
Yeah, man. Like what you
That man, seal it up again, man. Blessings, man. See? Outside. Come in, Bradstad. You ready? Oh, joke. Yeah. Half a tree. I love when the people then see me in the street and know the thing. You understand? Yeah. No joke. So, we are going through here, so, and we are going down for Mullines Road. Quick and fast. What you take? I mean.
I also smell good. Smell good. Let me fresh and I smell good.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. So this is the transport center. I always visit the transport center, but I say we're so far back up in our town. We're so far back up in our town. We just walk go down from Mullines Road a little bit. Taste is over there, so. So we are moved through. So I go down, go link one of my bridging down from Mullines Road. The way there, we can touch back up in our town before night. You understand? So yeah, just a simple walk down from Mullines Road we are going to do. See? No joke, no doubt. Half a tree I get lit right now. Festival about to get super crowded as people make them way going home and all of them things. That's it? Yeah, man. Man, look on that, bro. Man, nice. Outside with it. Yeah, quick run there, Grandma. Thank you. How many you me attack? Yeah. Yeah, massive. So we'll make a stroll down far, and the rain will come down. Yeah, man. We'll go down for Mullines Road there. Now I'm a teacher. I'll go down the road a little bit. Outside. Yeah. So this is Mullines Road. Mullines Road this. So I tell them I go down right beside of the tire shop where I go. On Mullines Road. And we go over Heritage. I think I saw the plaza name. Good evening, my friend. What's up? Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jamaica Walk By.
I hear the one, but it look like Manabas.
You know, say.
I'm at work now, summer.
Me not show your face, you know. But me know say me da walk there, you know.
I'm upstairs. So only here the next week you can get.
Alright, at Heritage, me a walk go, you know. But me I tell them, they say where?
Upstairs.
Oh yeah, man. Me I go right beside that, right at the German car place. No, so me video you walk, me couldn't help it. Cause that the shape that we have from behind. Me have to show all of my subscribers them. I just show me heart and say, talk to her and say something. Even though me not show your face, but no, so you come right out. Me say, Lord of God, you don't have to turn around, but me I tell her say, me have to catch you a walk. You know what I see you from? Me actually when me walk from half a tree road and me see you go through. Ocean Plaza, me see you go through. Yes. But me and I go straight. I mean I say blow, me turn to my friend and say, look on that dolly there. And them the type of shape that we have in Jamaica. Because me love for sure. You eating meal on the head still in a man. Yeah, but you come right out. Your shape really good. I'm sure say all of my subscribers them are gonna say the same thing. Me not catch your face because you say you're not dolly up and all of them sitting there. I am natural beauty. No bother with that, man. Why your Instagram? What's your Instagram? Yeah, I could get your Instagram. Well, let me see. Can I catch you? Oh, somebody I call you.
I'm a person.
Yeah, I don't want to catch you yet. When Oh.
No business no one they go work and don't ask me when I find a woman can. No woman no
Enough woman there, I'm engaged enough.
No woman some out there that's like.
God damn, what a vibe see have. The lucky thing me this is something. Yeah. Tell him to go watch Jamaica Walk By if he wants to hold him for dolly.
Yes,
Jamaica Walk By. Yes, figure that.
Every night now.
Yeah.
But I don't find it out for me and look what state it is.
But see, we are enjoying show.
Nobody wear like so the woman and trouble up first.
Yeah,
I be a drunk for them up there.
Yeah.
Everybody be here says so. That's all now for love the woman.
Watch here.
And
Dolly.
Good price. You see? I believe the this will go over, they go pop up in a fork head.
Yeah. Real.
My friend them say, when they want to engage, they say, brother, show me how to do it. Everybody is getting married.
My friend, me don't get the Instagram. Let me get the Instagram quick up. SOS, that chance for you find it. SOS, that chance. Real, but see what lad, the real. Me to go get the umbrella from Branstad. Yeah. Must have to stop the video a while ago. Be a rain come down, so. And I chop go. Yeah. But that's over there now. Yes, right. I'm mad sitting man. Yeah, plaza full up. Let me showcase some place around and say nah, me nah make you miss me, you know. I give them my strength. You see? Even the rain and fall. I'm mad something man. Man, I'm come on the side. I'm mad thing. Yeah, it's all one dolly, you know. And if she da chat. No joke. Hey my friend. What's up, what's up? Hey, they're on the phone. Jesus Christ, hold on, you're not afraid of the camera? No. Tell me, that is it. That is it. Hold on. Lord, me like when me walk up me dolly them with that sweet, you know, Jesus Christ. Oh Lord, those are, I'm sure that, you're Jamaican?
Yeah, but we live in New York.
Oh, you live in New York?
Yeah.
I'm mad, same thing. How are your daughter say, you know?
Cousins, but through the winter family, none of umbrella. Can beg your umbrella?
Ready. What are they, man? Let me give my umbrella. I know, so one brother give me the umbrella for free. And they found in a handy because the rain poured a while ago, and I just draw feet. I look good now, man. So watch me now. Yeah. So my name Fabian from Jamaica walk by. Touch it now, man. That is it. You come right out. Right out. Make your 360 there for the crowd. What? Jesus Christ Almighty. Why? No, sir. Wait. No, man. So it's a close so you're going there,
Yeah,
let me can't walk with you.
Come on.
Large up. You get the umbrella. I get that weight, man.
We need a little umbrella. God send it.
In Jesus' name. Go on, we are come. We are come there. What you mean? Don't joke, don't. But I wait up. Big here with umbrella make. Me wait up. How you go on? How you mean? Don't joke thing. What's your dolly here?
God, Jesus.
What's your dolly here?
So what go on with you?
Me do a channel name Jamaica Walk By where we just showcase the natural ambiances and things in Jamaica and the world. Alright, let me go on and wait for you because you know rain come down. Oh Lord, yes. Don't joke. Yeah, we're out the rain. Yes, man. Dolly second. Yes, sir. Yeah. Big up yourself. Where's some close to upstairs? Yeah. Alright, make it go on. No, we talk here. Yeah, what? Outside. And upstairs. Dolly. No joke big vibe. Oh, you mean? Just forward in. No, sir. But I not even remember when I got the round there, sir. But I have to forward.
Right?
I have to forward. No joke.
So what's the name on YouTube?
Jamaica Walk By.
Jamaica Walk By?
That's story I go.
Yeah.
I wish to this, I can see. What them name ITC boutique. Just I said dolly them buy. Watch out. Yeah. Why me now like them mannequin look like a hyena? She a pout, you know. Oh, you mean? Go in there. No doubt. Why? Manners and respect. Blessings and respect. Yeah. Big up and respect. A base not going in there. Look like I dolly them store this.
Yes.
I dolly them store this. When me dolly them there, look good now, man. Lord of mercy, I dolly them place this. So we gonna meet a dolly that I see that a dolly can't push at the dolly them buy. And a joke thing, look good now, man. Lord of mercy, what's your name? ITC boutique mad. My friend, are you working at busy? I know say from the dolly so we give that place some promotion and that me I go do, you know. Oh, you working here too, my friend?
Yes, sure.
That is it. Alright. Make we see what I want. So I see the dolly there and I see it and the dolly say I hope you share forward. So since we're there, we just sell a place, you know. So them type of thing are you wear for your party and event?
Party and big event.
Jesus Christ. Come right away, say dolly wear dolly clothes.
Let me take it on.
Watch out. Put on the umbrella, where say?
Yes.
Great customer service.
Right?
And no wonder you shop up here. Look good now, man. So, what we going up here? Whoa, but wait, I want dolly working at you. Outside. Big boy. No, sir. Yeah, so which one with it? Tell me address.
Sorry.
Tell me address. You move so sharp on the road. How you going somewhere? You know, say, when Jamaica Walk By step in our place. Talk to me. Which part with it? Oh, that's your camera struck arm. Let me talk to you. Which part with it? Tell me address.
Yeah, we're located 14.5 Mullines Road, shop number 8, Heritage Plaza.
That is, anyway, I go here say me like we showcase the place. You know all about it, dolly them. So right now, we there one place where dolly them buy. Look on that, hey, me tell you, hey, Massey, me go ask her for your Instagram and be, look that, whoa, no sir. Look good now, man, body's body. So, alright, the person you come by if you come showcase the body here. Lord have mercy. So what the plans? What the outfit look like for later? We have in mind?
We could see through.
Yeah?
Yeah, curve up.
Jesus. What is it, angle? Make us see that one. Oh, yo, make us see that one. Lord God. Oh, yo. No, sir. Yeah. Oh God, oh! No joke. How me never know about a story, man? And you said Dolly then come by. Yeah, this nice.
Look what you wanna back.
Oh God. Look good now, man.
Remember everything.
Figure that. Lord, oh, I style. Watch out. The cut style.
Yes.
No, sir.
I never want to that for the big style.
Watch out. How long now you working now? Cause you must give me a problem at the time, you know, cause when all the man come for buy for you, all the woman and see say you're Dolly now. We just tell you just work you like a mannequin. So what try and make me see what you look like then? Yeah. No, this bad. Me like this, sir.
Yeah, this
Sir.
like that one that's
Well, let me say make a picture. Because you have make a picture.
Yeah, picture.
Lord, man, look good now. Whoa. No, sir. Angle, bangle.
Would that look
Lord.
Yes. Yeah.
No, sir.
Yeah. Literally.
Yeah, good eye. Yeah. Right, yes.
How long are the place open? Come in, never know what's the place. Eh? How long are you open? Long time?
Long time.
So look like all past TC and the pretty then come by. No, no good. Them you sell too. Watch out, man. Look good now, man. What that? Large, you sell the store, you know. Yes. What you call this?
The bad inches, Dave.
Those are them a spice start, but
Yeah, inches.
Jesus, bust down.
Quality.
No, sir.
Yeah.
Figure that. What is up?
I'll also have the box.
Yeah.
You know, some of man in me not too know about the Barbie slang them, you know. So this one name bust down.
Yeah.
And then you have one of Babs.
Yeah, the box.
Let me see that one there. What you call that one there now? Oh, a war. Jesus. Oh, that one.
Yeah.
And that one that spice always out here.
Well, the
Spice.
spice.
See ya, you know. So if you don't want, so how many people come for Halloween come dressed like Spice. You never see that we get. I eat this one. No joke, me like a vibe. Watch out. So you have me red and you have me black.
Yeah, where fair? We have all people.
Hey, you work, you know. You work. Those, sir. Yeah. So my friend,
Everything nice.
make a talk to you because I'm going to make you go and shop, you know. And things. So, wait, you're Jamaican, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I was
I live in New York.
You live in New York?
Yes.
That is it. Why me see New York when you see, so you can come to Jamaica, come spend some food.
Exactly. Always.
Figure that. Why Instagram? You know, man, get
Stacey Chun.
Stacey.
Chun.
Me I put it on the screen now. Find it on your phone. Find it on your phone there.
Yeah, my grandmother Chinese.
That is a Chun.
Chun. C-H-U-N.
Yeah, man, you find the Instagram there. Make us put it on the screen, because you don't know where you go. Hold on, then, man. See it there? So this is our Instagram, and make sure we catch a good Stacey Chun. Dolly, watch Dolly. Look good now, man. Whoa, nice. Wait. Figure that. Make sure say, yeah. Jamaica walk by, find Jamaica walk by and follow me Jamaica walk by page. You know what thing go? No joke. And subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll drop the video as soon as possible. But in a dolly like in the street, you know, so I have to drop a video quick and fast, you know. Cause I'm in general, them are gonna run out, you know. Look good now, man. Lord, 360 again. Give them one more time. Lord. I see Jada talk about heavy, we say Jado star, no. So hold on, because you run that boy, in that day, when we are showcasing this story, see how we are not joking, man. Look good, man. Look at the video. All right, Dolly them. You want me look like a princess of our other place. If you want to see Dolly them, I hope you have to come. Because Dolly them come up and come by. And the joke thing, look good. If you want to see a Dolly like that, see Stacey there, just forward up on IT. See the ITC boutique right up on Bolline Zone there, so don't joke, don't. Check out the dress them, check out the style. Look good now, man. Yeah. Yo, I said what are you? ITC? Martin. ITC, big up yourself now, man. No joke, no. The place nice and clean. Me like a design. Look good now, man. A Dolly place. Pretty and clean. AC I work and basic. Yeah, but the AC I like to stay cool. Oh, one more around there, so what if I AC? And a joke thing.
Remember the sale dress them.
Oh, now, see, let me see one with the on sale right now. Find two dresses with the on sale. We are turning up in business. Because Dolly said she want to go and look up on a dress. So we are going to go and look on a dress and we are going to showcase the place. Look on the sign. Yeah. ITC boutique. No joke, no doubt. Yeah. So sale are going and all of them things there. She forward on two sale. Yeah. Big up with Dolly Stacy again, you know what I mean? She'll go and buy something and make she go and do her thing. No joke, no doubt. Whoa, yo. Body for days. A murder. Outside. So sales, so we have a sales rack them. So I like Dolly them. If you no one know say quick sale, you just come hold one of them do something. Yo, me like a Bob Marley color here. Look good there, man. Yes, man. Ready for the beach. Yeah, so how much or something like this I go for?
3 grand.
3 grand. Dash out. No joke thing. Yeah. So you see how that girl we have a cheetah suit, cause you have a cheetah youth. See it here, man. Yeah. So my daddy big up for, you know, make sure I could walk with you and say, you know, most of the time a beautiful girl them go on too much in and I see them just like how you're just down to earth and nice and you come out in your good body, your nice body, you take care of body, your good shape, good hair, good everything, Lord God. Hey, me say them are gonna pull up your Instagram, they're gonna pull up your page. Yeah, me like you, yo.
And remember, if it's a birthday, 10% off.
Wait, so, so one of them, use driver's license and anything to make sure?
No, you have to show your identification.
Yes.
10% off. On a Sunday,
Yeah.
3,000.
Yeah, you have to have a look for pool. Forget look for birthday discount.
Jaja.
Come right down your store. Remember we're located 14.5 Mullen Road, Heritage Plaza, shop number 8. Take care last class.
Figure that.
Remember for the other Monday we have the blazer them.
Easy now, man.
Come out right down your store.
Jesus. Yes, a birthday discount and baiting.
And Sunday, $3,000 off.
Wait, every Sunday, 3,000 off right off the bat.
Open from 11 to 6 on a Sunday.
Jaja, no.
Yes.
Oh, yo, wait the boss. I want to big up the boss. Big up the boss. Big up the boss, because I don't know a thing go. Yeah, we always.
ITC, yeah.
No boy safe. They know that.
You got that. We are going to let her make it Dolly get a bike because she probably want to go try and sit to them and ray.
Yeah.
But thank you so much for make me talk to you and tell me I go finish the video down the road because I have a local place down there so I me that search right now. What auto place down there so your brother beg me to come get a shout out so I said me walk come that side but me go back up in that Dolly. I sit there look which I me reach. Oh you see how easy woman enjoy and straight. Look there. Me don't even remember what me that do. I'm there. I still see easy about weird. No sir. Oh hey, the girl you no. Yo, big up all of the Jamaica now we are going big in our place. Yeah. So gonna take it easy. Thank you so much. Hold on the subscribe to Jamaica Walk by here.
Yeah, because subscribe, yeah.
Thank you so much. That is it. Big up our respect. Hear that? But what's your name, my friend? What's your name? You have a vibe. Kwana, what to your Instagram?
Check me out, Kwana__. Remember to follow and don't miss a follow Jamaica Walk by. No boy.
Hey, get that. Oh, I only on Instagram to run it. Wait, let me see. Let me catch you. See it up on your blood. Oh, the Instagram ITC boutique and one at the end.
Yeah.
Oh, and we can call to see that.
Yeah.
Mad thing. Nobody there can call and do the chop. You see it? Find out. Mad love, mad respect. What a vibe. Big up yourself, Stacey. One love and respect always. Me soon come in now, you understand? When me done the video, I go and circle. I give you 1 year. That is it. Right. Mad thing. What a vibe, what a energy. Yo, we couldn't pass a dolly there. Alex, you don't see that dolly there now?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't see that now? One brand stand fashion, you know. I be on him there on the walk, you don't know what thing go. No joke, no doubt. Even though I'm not on the camera, so me just put it on the camera still. But you know what thing, I'm here in my walk and the rain forward down, wicked. But you know the chat go. What is it? Dolly have a vibe, not you?
Have a vibe.
Stay good, clean.
Clean.
Oh yeah, me, clean. I Dolly stay. Come here, we are going so. I'm hard thing, man. How would that bright light? You don't bring that camera. What bright light? Look at how we the celebrity there. What Jamaica walk by, you understand bright light? Yeah, somebody say, I want great man this in Jamaica. From your youth, you hear them man and name a card. Bright light, one of the biggest funeral home in that place, no joke. Big up and respect. Here by now white, and the clean boss. Yes. Man respect, you hear that, my general? And my condolences too. With the son and thing, you hear that? Respect and love, heart and love. Jamaica Walk By, my name here. Jamaica Walk By, YouTube channel. That is it, respect. Cool, man. Yeah, real general that, you hear that? Man. So yeah, alright, so we there, look good. See the place, Heritage Plaza, look good. Yeah, ITC boutique up there, so right up there, so we did there a while ago. No joke thing, man. I'm a chat, man. Outside we there. Back at it again. Yeah. The Massive is a great vibe. Nah, go around here. No joke, no doubt, man. Figure that? Easy. So yeah, at the store, before going in another German place, and thing. So we are gonna go in there. No joke, no doubt. You see me? Figure that? All the semi general them. Oh, they in. I man, blessed and respect, you don't know where chap go. Ah, my teacher. Boy, I finally reach it. This side, say me I get chap today. No. Look good now, man. Mad thing. Where say, I my man for the front line. Figure that. Oh, you mean? I wish part with it. Fully German, blouse and skirt, rich vehicle. Oh. BMW, Audi, yeah, VW, blouse and Benz, Audi, VW, rich lifestyle. Yo, and so we know so them man are rate the thing, you know. Look on the big screen. Let Jamaica Walk By that on the screen. Look good there, man. Figure that. It look like a my shop. Me not tell us me have to forward that place, man. The G them say me and Jamaica Walk By they watch. Look good there, man. Look good. Figure that. A German auto. You know me loud already. A German auto part express. Look good. See the BMW, Volkswagen, Benz, Audi. Get the parts them, yes, man. Look good. Lord of mercy. Look good. I told me I turn up his scheme. Anyway, my G them there work, I see a thing in place of a seller. And so come in and say you have to get sin for buy. Look good now, man. Oh God, see our next rich man forward in there. Buy my buy. Where's the Audi of the general? Why that are you know? Where's the Audi Benz Beamer? No camera. The G said no camera, a gangster. You understand? But we are giving some promotion for the story. No problem with that. Look here, man. From tire shine to everything in all cool. There's a different cool and going to Benz and the Beamer them. Rich vehicle. No joke. Talk to me. Tell me something I don't know.
I say we have
Yeah, found us some, my boss. Come we want to hear you properly, you know. Yeah. Watch out, Danny run this alarm. You go on. Oh, tick. Tick over one. You go on. Yeah.
As I was saying, we have different type of coolant for Audi, Benz, and BMW.
That is it.
And also the aisle, engine aisle,
Mad thing.
aisle, everything.
So you know, sell service parts, everything like that.
Service parts, front end parts, brakes.
Man, me see a rims on the wall.
Yeah, we used to sell a wide range of rims, but
What you say?
the rims kind of finished now. Supposed to get some new stock
Man.
for December. So
What?
they can check in.
Me nah lie though, them one they look rich now blouse and skirt. Why size them up this up on the wall?
20 inch, 17, 18.
Jaja no. No joke. See how the black pan black grill, Benz grill up there so. I'm mad, see man a rich shop. Even tools, look on the shelf and tool you say. Can work on it yourself, do it yourself.
Yeah.
I saw if you name that shelf, they do it yourself shelf. See it here, them that type of product. Jaja no.
Come get them.
Figure that. No joke, no doubt. That's the way you say. I write store this here. German. Figure that the one is it.
Expert.
So I mean, so me I hear all my sound on my vehicle, I'm not sure. I can still come as a concert. So what do you think?
We have a service center.
We have a service center?
Service center located at Bedford Park Avenue. That's 8 Bedford Park Avenue,
Yeah.
Waterloo Road.
Mad! So you like a one-stop shop? Figure that? No joke. Like a place clean and thing. No joke. Yo, Alex, the rim up is whiter than your shirt. Look good now, man. The rim up is whiter than your shirt. Yo, rich shop, BBS. Look good now, man. You think of DDS? No joke, no doubt. You know, say anywhere I go, I dance and blast. Me even love how I play smell. AC cool and nice. What you mean? You me general, you know we shoot a video, Jamaica walk by and so. If you're a gangster, you probably don't want to catch one clipping, but tell me something. Where's that? This a shop you buy?
No, first me I come in.
First I found dinner. Say hear about it. Me not video you yet in about. I was a friend make you know about the place, huh?
No, it's a pass and see.
Pass and see. You say it just look good like if we step in. That is it. That's what I'm talking about. You get that? How you mean? And so shop you look presentable. I just see it and just want to say, nah man, I go check out a place here. You understand? I go look for the rope. You see that? That is it. I want to catch. I want to the front. Let me look for the front. Let me show you no good. Look good now, man. Cheese and peas. Look good. Control arm, rocking, tie rod, everything them sell right in other place. You want to say, he see it. Him just say, yo, me I go in other place, man. Me have to check it out. See it here? Look good. Look good. See it open hours here. A Monday to Friday. You understand? Monday to Friday, I same time. Them open and close. And Saturday to Sunday. They open me every day. You understand? Look good. See all the number you call them, no man. Figure that. Look good. No joke, no doubt. Outside me there. Outside me there. Place smell clean and nice. Big up on yourself and respect always. You hear that? Yo, my friend. You know me, I'm going to shoot out, you know.
Yeah, man.
But big, yo, you see that a while ago, me say I do. Which part she come from, you know?
Nah, which country she make?
Jeez and peace. Yeah, hey, you know, you're far, you know. I see that lady, you know, say she shelter from the rain. They say, me give her all my umbrella. I mean, I preach a close door. Yo, it's in a week. Me have to go shoot. Watch the video, you can see Instagram, but you have to go watch it till it weird up, because you know me now put no time stamp. That over that lady, so what she there? Yeah, come on. You know, come see them, man. Come and give your Instagram a shout out there.
You are 360, man.
You know, none. Alright, so it's stored up on Instagram today.
Yeah, man.
Alright, see him name. How much you see it? And if I'm not carry the Instagram, I then see it exactly how it look. Yeah.
I can.
See Instagram, yeah? So you can follow them on Instagram. No joke, no doubt. Yeah, famo. So look how more and respect. I know say I go and work. Sell we are sell out. See? Big boss. Blessings and respect. You hear that? Outside. One love. Respect me teacher. Mad. Outside me there. I'm mad. One Jamaica walk by, man. That is it. Good evening. Respect. Yeah, me like how you clean. You look very, very presentable. You hear my friend? Yes. You in a fashion? Yeah, makeup artist. Oh, my name is Fabian. You're not afraid of camera? I'm Jamaica walk by. Yeah, we walk on video and showcase people place and all that. Never hear about Jamaica walk by? Oh yeah, alright. 2 days here, lucky day. Alright, which part your place there? Up in here dimension. Up in here dimension. No, darling. Oh yeah. We still have video. I saw me stay. Since you over here, might as well we just go and work. Yeah. Me like how you do your hair. Nice with your hairstyle. I sign this? Yeah. Mad. We are going there. We're going to showcase your spot. Yeah, master. We still love I Plaza. So we are showing love and respect. We can see what going up here. So because you don't know if we not showcase the place and the people them not know about it and know say there. So as easy as that. Nice lady when we present our business and showcase it to the world. Because if you not get customer, you not sell. Lord, the fragrance, the smell as the door pull. Sweet and nice. But I'm a big man. She flick on all the light. There, man. At the rich places, man. That is it. Good day, my friend. Blessings and love. Nice and beautiful, man. Whoa. A crazy thing I going up here, some man. Mighty. Right beside the Heritage Plaza with them, man. Look good. Yeah. Nice lady. That's something like when people just welcome in. I pass, you know see it, you know see she not like me, I tell her, walk out of the car store and see her stand up at the door and start talking to her and see there, business. Are you own the business? Well, I tell you, sometimes when I'm not so nice, I always don't own the business, you know. So I know a promotion thing go. Yes, man.
I just went up with the and they just check there.
Yeah. So we have hairdresser, we have nail tech, and all of these good things. Oh, you mean? Beautiful. Everything in here. AC, cool and nice. Nail tech station right so. Yeah, so all of my people them will watch the video right now. And you never know say that place in there. This is the place for you. Get your nails done. Can get your foot them well pedicure and nice. All of the good thing. Do the hair them over here. So look good now man. Everyone have equipment there. So every kind of curl, every kind of style, everything. So yes, nice and clean. Me love it. I'm big up inside. Let me catch a logo.
No.
Oh, different. Alright then. Not see a word.
I'm going to show you my sign downstairs.
Alright, that is it. Come in, Alex. Nice lady. That's what I like when I hear book people in the street, man. They just be human and just get it right. Yeah. So she'll show you our sign. Blessed, blessed. Respect our manners, man. Jamaica walk by. Respect. That is it. Jamaica walk by. Yeah.
Walk by way.
So we walk by all Jamaica and the world. You understand? And oh, this is it. Oh my word, this is beautiful. My, it look like you just get it. Oh my word, are you printing? This is beautiful.
Printing and stitching though.
Oh, so this is our sign. You see, God is good all the time and right on time. So our shop is shop number 7. Oh, it's Davina Divine. Which Divine beauty makeup. That is it. Artistry. Oh, beautiful. See all that stuff them what she do. You can call her. Yeah, beautiful queen. Look at that. Oh, me can see Divine for her. Chana man. Figure that. So blessings and respect for talk to me and for showcase your business on Jamaica walk by. See? One love, man. That is it. Outside with it. So yeah, massive, you know, say a summer roll, a summer stay. What a video. Oh my word. Big up Stacey and sell. Yo, me not even know. Big up to Stacey and man. Big up all of me dolly them what we see throughout the day and the video them. Oh gosh. So I see how my virgin store say German heart up. You understand? Big up to my general every time, German heart up. I'm working there, big up to the boss, everybody, the whole staff and all of that. You see me I say? No joke, no doubt. Yeah. So Stacey, me I tell you the truth, man, you sell the video. Yes man, you sell the video. Alright, we walk on one side far down, so we'll go up on the other side. You see me? But yes, Stacey, and you sell the video. Big up every time, big up on my New York massive. You know what I mean? And everybody who watch Jamaica walk by, really appreciate it. You see me? No joke, no doubt. Yeah, run! Yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, massive. So, I promise you to say I walk back up in the town. Rain did come down a while ago, so I not have to stop and wait a little while. And them little thing then, you don't know, me actually give Stacey and my umbrella to go inside of the store and sit. No joke, no doubt, man. Me not have to stop because I know a rain thing I go. So we walk go back up in the town, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. What a vibe, what a energy, man. Whoa, so we walk go back up in the town to go see how up in the town set up and all of them good things they see. Yeah, man. Where's the Branson? Where's the nice video, man? Where's the boss station? She ready?
Of course.
Oh gosh, no man. All a girl a while ago, you find her Instagram so I can give her a shout out. Did you find it?
Did I find it?
You don't get to find it? You know me? Me didn't get the video.
XO that Shan.
Oh gosh.
XO is that Shan.
Yeah, but myself, me have to go replay this and hear what she say and put her Instagram in her description. She cool. Yeah man, nice girl. I me say massive halfway tree. All of my general them right across the world. I don't want to find one dolly. I don't have beer option to choose. Here? No joke. Remember me told you. Just follow the halfway tree, just go walk up and down and look and see if you see a type. And just move with it. I like Brandon?
I don't like.
Yeah. Once you want to find a type, just find a type. And make sure say you have good lyrics. No bother with no heaper. Hey baby, sexy girl. No bother with them thing there. Approach your girl and they said, hi, hello, excuse me. My name is Fabian and I see you walking here and I tell her say, God no, I'm loving what I see. You know what I mean? Where you from? Have a good conversation. You know what I mean? Look on watch how me approach. You realize when I approach a girl a while ago, rain all come down back in a machine. Can't do no more rain now. I me just stop and talk to her. And thing, you see me? I me just walk, I me just tell her, I say, boy, I tell her the truth, and I have a video you from behind, from here walking. I say, boy, I don't catch you because I hear no dolly up and basing thing. But she have a dolly walk. I mean, no joke thing. So I don't know Jamaica walk by, we are show the natural vibe, the natural ambiances and where the place look like in our time naturally. And we are head back to halfway tree. See? Yeah. Oh, you mean? Rain has come now again. We don't want no more rain. Watch it. I want him to know, ladies out the man 10 to 1 in a halfway tree. So we are head back in the town. What a vibe, what a energy. If you don't love the video, please me I beg you to subscribe. If you watch thus far and you're not subscribed, OMG, I don't know what you're waiting on. Please me I beg you to like the video. Please me I beg you to subscribe to the channel if you don't subscribe yet. And do me I beg you turn on the notification. Press the arrow right beside of the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. You see me? Just select all, me mean. So click the arrow at the subscribe button and press all and you'll be notified when I post a video like this. Real Jamaican culture, real Jamaican vibe all over the world. But especially Jamaica, you see me? I make a vow to myself, so once I travel again, I only go shoot live videos. You see? So back up in the halfway tree and think big up to my brethren there, German Auto. Big up to ITC Boutique. Seen? Yeah, cause the girl carry up a ITC Boutique. That was crazy. And thing. I don't know, big up my general art well. Everything start well. Yeah, man. Outside with it. We're there. So back in the halfway tree town. And the rain has come down. Yeah. Right at MCD, right out of the clock. So I look at you and I say, where me know you from? And I can't tell. You know, so I look at you and I say, where me know you from? I can't pick up. Can't pick up. Oh, you mean? One cross. One cross, I'll go on the other side. All the way across each other here. Gangster setting, see where we this. I don't like walk when I walk. Same here and back to back. Cause we walk on the other side, so now give them a different perspective of the place. Since we are walk. You don't know. Yeah. Famous transport center in Arthurtree. Massive building. Rain, do not bother fall again, rain. Do not bother fall. Hold up your foot, rain. Hold up your foot. That mad. So you have a coffee. Oh yeah. Coffee and whole heap of dancer thing. That is so nice. Okay. Kind of one building down there too. See? But how that work out with water now, dog? That me I say. One drain there, but no. One drain there. Eh? One drain there though. Like one drain. But I wonder how you channel out the water there. outside. Now we are walking through the copyright, because you don't know when I want to night, you know. We are trying to go through fast. No copyright settings to the pan right now. Oh, you mean? Outside with it. Great man. Manners. The man say, some of the nicest woman you could ever find. Soft and pure and so divine. Calm and cool, well refined. But Chris said, is my Jamaican girl. Is my Jamaican girls. Them know if you treat them man with care. You come in and your food well prepared. Give it to you anytime, anywhere. My Jamaican girl. Half a tree. So this is half a tree. Yeah, man. So I could go and swirl through half a tree. When I see it through my window and what what a vibe in Harvard. Boy. KFC I renovate. KFC I do some work on the outside. Half a tree. Rain again. Over here now the famous skate land. You see me Branston? Whole heap of video shoot. I used to have a skating ring over here so too. You see me? Make we go around. So you have got you. Let me show you. So around here so now used to be skate land. Where whole heap of video shoot normally go on us and used to could have come around us so can do skating. You see me? Right, the skating ring used to the round us so official skate land this back in the days. Man. So who never know no. So not talk about half a tree skate land right so. Yeah. So if you actually want to park right now, you paid parking and them thing that they're on so. Paid parking. See? Yeah. So if you don't know where to park when you come to half a tree, you park over here. And I hate that. Mad thing. Yeah. That is it. Manners and respect. Yeah. That is it, man. I want to ask some question. Now foreigner.
Hi, Jamaica.
Big up every time, man. Yeah. I mean, you know, say, me just say it here, say, then DJ know you that.
Yeah, man.
Blouse and skirt out in there, blue. You look so sharp today. What the mission?
Let's go now, man.
Talk to me about the mission, man. Where you reaching today? You can't so clean on a regular day. I say you do every day. Right. That's rich. Figure that. Yeah, me teach a manners and respect too. Seeing? Yeah. Outside. There, Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Jamaica settings. Blessed mommy.
Blessed.
Easy now, man. Lord, nice and clean. Figure that. The driver, man. Big up every time, now, man. One love. You don't know anything. Artist want me.
So promote your brand and make him know what I want.
Talk to me.
Yeah,
best time.
Yeah. Best time.
Yeah.
What's going on, Jamaica? It's your boy Richie Fame, Mr. Richie Fame, YYZ Lifestyle Brand. Big up, walk bout.
You walk by. Jamaica walk by. Yeah.
Right.
See him. Yeah, man. You real, man. We not cut, man. I see him. So we natural.
Jamaica walk by.
That is it.
No way here. We're here in Jamaica live in living flesh. So you know what you gotta do. Go subscribe right now. What me say? Right now.
Right now.
Right now. Do it. Quick.
Yeah, the man clean, man. Look good now, man. You married yet?
No.
You're not married yet? You have a girlfriend right at your foot?
3, 4 youths and what do you think?
Boy, me I tell you, yes, you fashion star. I mean, that's some man for clean. I mean, big up all of my general them. You understand? So, you might tell me about the brand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
YYZLifestylebrand.com.
Say it again.
YYZLifestylebrand.com.
That is it.
Make sure.
Figure that. Artist want me to give me a song. You have to drop a one tune, man.
Yeah, man, you know what I mean? I'm stunt man, you know, original, you know, man. What's your prayer? When I feel from Jamaica, if you have X amount of grand, say, no, Jamaican done big money, man. We know how to flex and how to program. Program right, man, I got program, man. Yeah, man, you hear me? I mean, I'm stunt man.
That's all I give me.
Yes, man.
So we have to pay for it. Even even walk with the back, dog. We don't walk in the back. We even stunt, man. We don't walk with the back, G. And that's alone I give me days and peace, man. Somebody say, if you don't know.
Look a piece, man.
If you don't want to recite, you know, tell which of the grammar how we can reach you.
See him way, you know. I want to go see him way, man, from the last time, man.
That is it.
Stunt, man, you see me?
Right now we're up 200,000 subscribers and a whole lot more people depend on when they depend last time. You know, so see all of them massive I see right now when I say, hey, me never see me in that video there.
I mean, see him, man, again, man.
That
fresh, live and living color this time.
Stunt, man. One, clean. Big up my teacher, manners and respect always. You hear that? Yeah, clean Ras. So, you don't know, when we done so over there and Diddy go and sort out himself and thing in them, they don't want to give with nothing. Nothing. So, at first him actually drop a tune. Because when we see him down so I say, yo, do not remember you relax and I easy. Yeah. And I say, yo, me forward to place in the man and him just did a relax and I say, so you live down here, so? Sit down and
Natabia.
And Natabia.
Yeah, man.
And Natabia.
Yeah,
so,
man. All the artists come from.
Yeah, me do a Natabia walk by.
Ninja, man.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
Artist Central.
Artists there, you see me?
Yeah, what a vibe that was, though, dog.
Sit down the whole of them. You see me, I say?
Man.
Yeah, man.
Figure that, and that get so much thousands of views. So yeah, man, it was a good vibe. I see the massive. Even him never did give me the song the last time, so he give me a song right now, and that is it. So we outside. You see how God good. Look how me left from we are not to be come to Kingston, come back up in the again to get one song. Eh?
One song.
Jesus Christ! Internet you have to go up and to go hear him. Yeah, oh, you mean? That is it.
Hello.
Big up, no man. Dali, how for one? You married yet? You're not married yet? Yeah. You're on Instagram? Can you give a shout out, please?
I'm Queen _.
I am Queen _
I'm Queen IMKWEBEN _.
Alright, me got it locked, so me make sure me put it there. Figure that. You shine. So start, man. A blessings always. We go out on the street, you know? Yeah. Nice. One family. Look how Jack great. I mean, don't walk come over here and I say, oh, I'm going to show them my skate. But that's what I'm saying. I tell her how me tell thing work. I tell her, say, anywhere me feel the energy, say, lead me. Right. Me just turn there. So me do it. Jamaica walk by, never. Yeah, me I tell you. Me I did this, so I say, yo, me now come over here saying, I mean, turn about this attack. I'm saying, so it's time for go, me just go. Yeah, man. So, blessings always. Hear that? Yeah. What thing? Yeah, man. We can't make up them energy massive. Look there, stunt man again. So remember I'm from Anatabia. Remember me I walk and him that did him ear and thing and we did this all a nice energy. Yeah, man, I him see him one man. Big artist. And a joke thing, man. Remember me tell you know. Yeah, security. Manners and respect, my brother. We outside. Half a tree. Jaja no. Yeah. You don't know night all I take time I creeping, but the vibe is right. I know so me not go run a clock tower plaza. Do I want to go on a clock tower here, my boss? I go run a clock tower and thing. This is tasty. Oh, what time is it? I could do it. I I go around a clock tower there. Show on the clock tower. Long time in a walk in a half a tree like this, so let's do this. Half a tree. Alright, so we're right at the entrance now for Clock Tower Plaza. See it up on the wall. Clock Tower. I see that dolly there a while ago. Yeah. Clock Tower Plaza we're there right now. See? Yeah. Great things, my friend. Manners, bro. That is it. So, yeah. We're just rolling for the Clock Tower Plaza right now. So this is one of the next hot plaza right now. Clock Tower Plaza. You see me? Yeah. There you go, my friend. Man. So, whole heap of big clothes store there around, so Trends, all of them places there. Clock Tower Plaza. Whole heap of food place too as well. You can find a Clock Tower Plaza and all of them things there. Watch your car, my friend. Outside. Yeah, man. So, this is it. One thing though, runner always full, so on a happy, no off drive. Runner so always full. Because as I say, loads of store and the whole works. You can pretty much get everything where you want around a Clock Tower Plaza in Jamaica. Furniture, clothes, food, everything sell around here. You can find a Clock Tower Plaza. Everything. And here's now the entrance. You can go figure out the trends and all of that. Let me show you now. Pebble down. So these are the trend. The trend. You know, one of the biggest clothes store them in the whole cut. In the plaza too as well. You know what I mean? You have brick brand around us too. And thing. No joke. Look good. Alright, so we're not really doing no more plaza and all of that. We just scroll through. Get a synopsis of round here, so. Yeah, man. Outside. Yesterday, you make up Bebble down. Ready. Security. Big up yourself, my teacher. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So yeah, Clock Tower Plaza. So we just watch you, because I know no night after them. I done this before night and thing. But I know so I love the vibe and I love the video. So might as well we just go and go through give you know the natural vibe in Jamaica. When you see car light them start flickering, you know it's a night forward. Yeah, man. Jaja no. It's been a while me no for the apple tree and do this, like a very long time. Me no do this in a apple tree. To go on a tour of apple tree. It's been a while. Yeah, man. Jaja no. Half a tree, clock tower. The rain roll up in foot here now, so let's see. A mad thing.
We have always been lads and we will always be lads.
Yeah.
Most people don't understand.
Somebody got come.
Yeah. I'm seeing someone do a rough skill. Thank God we passed the rest, you know?
Outside.
Yeah. Let's just say what one and tell you what we want to do. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Half a tree massive. See you though. Oi, oi. Night is upon us. Outside again. Outside again. Wanna still there watch? No, my G, I'm not travel here now. Wanna still there watch? No, my family. Yo, fish a roast and thing right there, so I'm mad chop. Yeah, the man them are working. Yeah, but see me say I close the video, but the vibe just so right. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. So yeah, massive, we're there. Big up to everybody who stay tuned and watch the video. And I tell us it's a nice vibe, it's a nice energy. Even the park there over there, so you understand? Yeah. Night all a compound house and thing, and the energy has been great. One thing about the Jamaican vibe, it's always great. Love to hear it. It's, yeah. The vibe always nice. Yeah. You don't know make a cross. Cause don't me know want in cool off. Make a pass fast. Cause you don't know so the artists and the copyright them no normal. Outside with them, make we move fast. Make we move fast from it. No, Joe, no, let's move. Make we move. Real Joe. Walk it deep, walk it deep, walk it deep. What the man say? Come in a juvenile at the money you call me. The big up Benz and my son in a hardy. Walk fin up, body. Don't cross hardy. What me say? Big up and respect. You hear that, my teacher? One love. Outside. And copyright now run out there, you know? They might taking a reverse way. Yeah. We're outside the nice street, massive. You see me? Yeah. I move from the copyright, them and thing. You see me? And night, you know me I close the video before night, cause God know. Whole heap of walk from there, but big up and respect to Aroma Massive. It was a great video. Stacy, you turn up the video loud. You make you know about ITC boutique up there so on Heritage Plaza on Mullines Road. Make sure say when the dolly them go support the place and see how industry and see the type of dressing all of them thing there. And a joke. Yeah man, and a joke thing. And a joke. So it's all love, it's all respect, and I'm grateful. Road to 1 million subscribers, hear that? Yeah, ask that, then say, what Masika say? Reach for the stars, if you miss me catch a cloud. You see me, so that's my thing there. We're reaching for the stars. If you miss me catch a cloud. So that's my thing there. One Jamaica walk by, road to 1 million subscribers, you hear that? No joke. So if you watch, please I beg you to subscribe to the thing and let us do this. We're going with a little energy right here so before we all move, you see me? So you can see halfway through. So yeah, this is the closing for the video, but I'm not gone. I'm just going to keep the camera right here so I'm going to see some people walk, some people go through vehicle drive and get back a nice vibe of halfway through if you've not been here for a long time. And Ray, you see me? So it is just great. See? So one love, blessings to everybody, and thank you to everybody who make that video possible. You don't know, I walk with my little brother Branston Fashion. Check him out on Instagram. See him here. You don't know Branston Fashion. And see? That is it. So make sure you check him out. Support him, Clothesline and them thing there. An online store, so you know I'm a Jamaica Massive and support the young youths them as them do great things. You see me? Branston Fashion and my little brother. I rain Mr. G. I hope on a rain, you know. I hope on a rain, man. But yeah, we're there. But we're there. Big up to some of my subscribers them. You don't know Scadine Sterling, you don't know Jason and Jana. Big up Christmas List, big up Tyler Oliveira, big up Miss Trudy, big up so much Mark Brown, big up yourself. Big up to Marvin Sinclair, Orient Freestyle. Big up so much person who subscribe to Jamaica Walk by. Preston, big up yourself. Those are the people who always dip on the channel. I can remember them off the top of my head. Big up to Miss Charmaine. Be Charmaine, big up yourself. Maximum respect to you. Yeah, me just try to call some name off the top of my head if you don't subscribe to Jamaica Walk by and always a support. Big up to Miss Diane Hunt, you don't know. Big up to Miss Althea White. Oh God, there's so much of you. All out important and I love you because you make Jamaica Walk by possible and everything works the right way. See? Mad love, mad respect to you all. Super appreciate every single one of you from number one subscriber all the way to 200 and odd. So we're well over 208,000 subscribers and we are aiming for 1 million subscribers. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Mad something, man. Outside with it. Yeah, man. Half a 3,000.
a religion that cannot heal or deliver. Hallelujah. And when Jesus Christ of Nazareth came and walked this earth, he didn't preach a religion. He didn't preach a denomination. He preached, oh, hallelujah, the kingdom of heaven. And God is so that the kingdom is within us. Oh, hallelujah.
So we just walk through half a tree until what a beautiful video, what a beautiful life. No, my G, we're not traveling now. Yeah, this is not clean up. Jesus. So yeah, massive, we are close, right? That's all. Blessings and love. Big up every time.